switch isn't working.
Switch isn't working on a Henry vacuum cleaner. Should we fix it?
Yes. Before you start, make sure it's not plugged in. So first you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And not these 3 middle ones, because that's for a different part.
Right, good. And you're going to use...
Star screwdriver.
Yep, which is T20.
T20. This way. Enough. Until you can pull the screw out. The same way as that. Oh, same line, then the same way. Then it's the same way all the way down. Then which way this way?
Same way you go too.
On the line. Yes.
Good. Oh wait, you get it wrong everyone.
I'm right with this one.
Okay, last one.
Is it in line?
Now if you're on until this end.
That, and then
Yeah.
this way. And then that's it.
Okay. So now,
You should be able to take that off.
yeah, so now you get take it up the mobile. Good.
Pull the screws out.
That's fine, that's okay. And just rest it down. And then just take the top off.
Like this.
Hey. Right, now come around this side
Okay.
and turn it around so that we can see.
Can I do it now?
Oh, yep.
Then the other side. Again, that side back in.
Yeah, no. A little bit tricky.
Yeah. Now we've done that, we can take the 2 wires out.
Well, before you do that,
So
where do the wires go?
this one goes here,
Mm-hmm.
this one goes there, this one goes there, and this one goes here.
Right, good. And then keep that for later so you know where they go back.
Okay.
So then we just wiggle them out.
Yes.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Yes.
And that's it.
So that's the new one.
So we've checked our video to see where everything goes.
Here. That's the new one. And we'll just slowly connect them.
And then now we should be able to push it back in.
Mm-hmm. I'm watching it
Okay.
to see if it goes wrong.
Think it's going to go wrong or go right?
Go right.
I think so.
Hey, it's on 7, it's on 8, it's on 9, it's on 10, it's on 11, it's on 12.
Okay.
And then we should.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so that little piece has to go just like that.
That.
Mm-hmm.
And then this has got to go back on.
Yep, go on then, put it back on. Okay, so that little piece,
Flip it upside down.
that little piece hasn't lined up, has it? So we need to take it off and do it again. So this piece goes here. And that just slides in there. To just guide it in. Good. Now what?
Flip it upside down.
Flip it upside down, yeah.
And then we'll get the screwdriver. You mean, it'll go this way?
Yep.
Get that already, isn't it? Right. Okay. The same way. Is this the same way, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting tighter. It's getting tighter. It's getting tighter. Is that coming off?
I'll do it.
That's it.
No.
So. So this will be rolling off. And then you get the lid back on. So